Namaskar everyone, my name is Manit Kumar and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back again with some interesting chart for this week. All these stocks are high in EPS as well as relative strength. So these stocks are in high EPS as well as high relative strength. Okay, so these stocks are in top 30% of the list. So basically what I mean to say is these stocks are fundamentally as well as technically good. So without wasting time, let's move to the chart and see those interesting chart that you can consider buying next week or in coming week. Okay, so now let's move to the chart and discuss it on the chart itself. So first one in the list, we have JSW Steel. So you can see stock is in proper uptrend. Okay, this is weekly chart and you can see it has formed proper base. So and today it has given breakout also. Means it was on Friday. Today is Saturday. So it has given a proper breakout. You can see over here. So in coming week you can expect a nice move from here. You can even see what kind of pattern it is. For me this is something kind of head and shoulder, or you can even say kind of compression. If you observe from here to here, you can observe a kind of VCP forming here. So this is first compression, this is second, and this is third compression, which is happening right now. So you can see the amount of the beautiful thing about BCP is risk. See what kind of risk here we are taking. Only 4.86%. With this 4.86%, if you are risking 1% of your capital here, you can move your position sizing to 20%. This is something very interesting about VCP, and here it is forming, and you can take a risk over here, and if stocks is coming to this breakout level, you can accumulate here, and here the risk will be only 4.6%, and you already know what kind of return we can expect from here. From if you want to calculate according to range calculation, it is coming something around here, and if you want, you can just enter here and just put your stop loss and just wait and keep trailing until your stop loss is triggered. So this is also another way. I only focus on risk because if you actually manage the risk, other thing will be managed. Okay, profit will come. If you will manage risk, profit is going to come, no doubt about that. So let's move to the next is Newgen Software. Okay, here also you can see stock is in proper uptrend, and now it is forming a base. You can call it head and shoulder, you can call it cup and handle. Okay, everything will do. And for us the main thing is risk management. Okay, here the risk is somewhat high, 7.14%, but you can actually see if it is coming for a retesting of this level, you can actually accumulate in this area, or if it is compressing one more time, you can buy on that area. Okay, for me it was just I wanted to inform. So here also, if you talk about target or something, I would better suggest you to just trail the stop loss. Okay, after taking entry. So let's move to the next chart. Next is EIH Hotel. Let's see it on weekly chart. You can see it has formed a proper base of head and shoulder, and now it has already given breakout, and it is forming a flat base over here. Okay, so this is a very flat base, and if stock is giving breakout from here, you can take the trade, and risk is only 5.79%. So this is also one of the nice stock. And if you talk about target, you can expect a very long target from here. See, you can expect a target up to 348, but again after entering you can just trail the stop loss, and wherever the stop loss is triggered, you can book the profit. So now let's move to the next is Maharashtra Seamless. This is also a proper uptrending stock, and it has given breakout recently. See, here also it formed VCP and it has given breakout, and after giving breakout it is consolidating in this area. See, volume has significantly dropped, and if this stock is again giving breakout from this level, we can expect a nice move from here. So for me, if you want, like, if it is coming to this breakout level, you can accumulate here on the pullback, or if it is giving a breakout from here, you can buy from here. Okay, and for this the risk will be around something 3.85%. Okay, so with minimum risk you can go with more position sizing, and you can just trail the stop loss. Okay, so we have the next stock, and it is Emudra Limited. So you can see stock is at all-time high, and it has actually given breakout, and now it has even given the pullback, and after pullback it has formed some kind of base, and now it is moving up again. Okay, so here the kind of risk that you are taking is around 7.79%. So with this kind of risk, you can enter the stock and you can just trail stop loss. Okay, so this is also nice pattern to trade. Next is Gulshan poly also. Okay, so here you can see in the weekly time frame also it was in nice uptrend. After that it was in some various phase, and again it is forming a proper base over here. See the kind of base formation, and now it has given breakout, and after breakout you can see it is forming a flat base over here. Okay, so if it is giving breakout from here, you can just enter the trade, and with this stop loss here is only 6.52%. okay, so again nice small stop loss. And so now let's move to next stock. It is Jammu and Kashmir Bank. So you can see here it is forming a proper VCP, or if you want you can say it is forming a head and shoulder kind of pattern. But if you focus on this area over here, you can see it is forming a proper VCP kind of pattern. Okay, this is first compression, this is second, and kind of third. Okay, now the risk is very high. I would not enter at this price, but and if it is going to this level and it is forming another compression, so for example something like this. Okay, and now if it is giving breakout, you can enter over this level. Okay, with this as a stop loss. So again you can see it has changed its character. It has stopped forming lower low and it is forming higher high. So if this holds true, we can get a nice return from here. The first target can be here, and second target can be something around here, and third target all time high. Okay, so let's see. So now let's move to the other chart. Okay, so we have ingots all round. See, it has already formed a proper VCP, and after forming VCP, the stock is again coming back to this level, to this breakout level. So it is coming to its breakout level, so you can accumulate around this level, and the stop loss will be same here. Okay, so this was another interesting stock. Now let's move to the another stock. Next stock is Eicher Industries Limited. You can see a proper base formation over here, some kind of VCP formation. You can see first time compression, second compression, and with this stock, see here the stop loss is only 5.69%. okay, so this stock has given a proper breakout with high volume. Now it is coming back to this breakout level, you can say kind of pullback. Okay, and the volume is very low. So if you're able to buy stock at this level, it is going to be a nice buy with the same this as a stop loss. Okay, then the stop loss will be 5.69%. and now the next stock is Ratecam. So you can see here also it is forming a base. You can see in this weekly time frame, so it is forming a base. Now if you see on daily time frame and we focus on this area, it is forming a proper VCP. See this compression, first time compression, second compression, and this is third compression. Third compression is very shallow. Okay, so again if you're getting breakout above this level, it is going to be a nice buy. Even if you can reduce this stop loss to here, and it is only 4.18%. so keep this on radar, and you can really get a nice target from here. See, if it is breaking out from here, you can expect first target to be here, all time high, and if it is breaking this level also, the target is going to be really high. So enter on this breakout and keep trailing the stop loss. So the next stock is Dawat, okay, L&T Foods Limited. You can see previously it has given breakout from here, from this level, and now stock has pulled back on this level, and now again it has actually formed a nice, you can see over here, a nice engulfing pattern. And again you can enter around above this level also. You can, if you want, you can enter over here also above this candle. And see, actually this if you see in overall broad structure, it is forming a cup and handle pattern. See, it has already given breakout from here, and it has, after proper breakout, it got pulled back to this level. On this breakout level, again it is forming a cup and handle pattern. Okay, you can see here it is forming a cup and handle pattern, and it is still in the formation. Okay, see, this is cup and handle is in formation. Okay, so if you want, because it has showed its bullish nature over this breakout level, so you can expect a target of 182 rupees. Target is not fixed, you can just trail. If stock is moving, it's not compulsory to book your profit over this target level. It's better to trail your stop loss, because you never know up to where the stock can move. So this was all. So these were some of the interesting stocks for the week. So consider liking the video, and if you want more this kind of content, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.